I lost 10 kilograms in just 30 days, and I didn't even have to go to the gym.
I failed so many times. Diets, gym memberships, nothing worked.
I started intermittent fasting, 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. It boosted my energy and killed my cravings.
Every morning, I drank warm lemon water and walked for 10 minutes. It kick-started my fat burning.
I slept at 10 p.m. and drank 3 liters of water daily. This reduced stress and controlled cravings.
First. Here's what I ate every day. Breakfast, oats and eggs. Lunch, grilled chicken and vegetables. Dinner,
I stopped these 3 mistakes: skipping meals, sugary drinks, scrolling at night.
Every night I did 5 minutes of basic bodyweight workouts. Planks, squats, jumping jacks. That's it.
After 30 days, I lost 10 kgs. My clothes fit better, I slept well, and I felt alive.